Hello, this is an Atlas Copco xas-350 air compressor. It makes 750 cubic feet of air per minute. It is on wheels and you can tow it behind your dump truck. I would not risk towing it behind a small pickup. This compressor comes from a factory where it was kept indoors, and I have a picture of that in the auction. The diesel engine on it is not original. They replaced it in 2006 and only used it occasionally since then to power their large air forging hammer. They replaced the hour meter on the same day, and as you can see, there's not very many hours, just 1622. This compressor runs, and I'm going to demonstrate this to you after a little walk around. The batteries on the compressor are not included. They're mine, and I'd suggest you buy proper truck batteries to start it up. However, you will see that it starts. That's the tongue, and as you can see, it's got a little bit of damage here. The compressor really does show having been kept inside. I think there's really minimal rust on it. The engine here was not cleaned up by me. That's exactly how it came. As you can see, it doesn't seem to leak, and it also seems to be pretty clean, which isn't that surprising considering that it's a 2006 rebuild by Jimmy Diesel. It was rebuilt professionally and installed here in this compressor. I'm going to walk back and I will try to get this thing started. Turn it on, press override, and press start. I'm going to try building up some pressure now. It's gonna be loud. Thank you for watching this video.